Izumunne is for children drinking milk from their mother's breast. So these people, without knowing it, has admitted that all of them are forming this thing, endorsing Tinubu because they are drinking from the feeding bottle of Tinubu.
So it's for personal benefit.
And
now.
they are scavenging on the rotten crumbs that falls from Tinubu's table. Can't you see how when people would say city boys, can't you see how the Igbos reject them? You know why? It's an insult to Ndi Igbo. Do you know why we wear our Isiago? We wear our Isiago because we go to hunt our food in dignity like the lions and we eat fresh meat. We don't scavenge like vultures. Those Izumunne politicians that purportedly endorse Tinubu, they are political scavengers that are scavenging from the rotten crumb that falls from Tinubu's table. They are political children drinking from the feeding bottle of Tinubu. We are Igbo. I would rather starve and die in dignity than to scavenge from the rotten crumb that fall from Tinubu's table.
We know my mom na there too. Up to see. I had there to okay. I did my okay. Manana me anama told ya. I don't know if you people understand. She always uses that idiom each time. I say I dey ribbons. Man I dey moi. Up to see I dey ribbons. Man I dey moi. Moi ya is ni na-eri. I dey ribbons man I dey moi. All ribbons ke ji we say the moi. Isi ni dey ribbons man I dey moi. Or sige na dey atoke man I dey eri. That is exactly the case of Kenneth Okonkwo. Please, somebody should remind me who Kenneth Okonkwo is supporting. Can you hear this shade between you that is supporting Atiku Abubakar? Yana Obi Kubana chief priest here na Akbale. Na support to City Boys movement. Kicheno I praise Shazi Igbo. I sobeziegi. Ina support nwoke bidogoro na eti oshi since amom ka Tinubu support Tinubu since amom ka Atiku Abubakar bido na run for presidency since amom makwa ego nwoke waste go na campaign makwa nya ya ka worst makwa na Atiku ya ka worst menye oshishi makwa ego ni na waste na campaign na oye ji wewe kpokoro ya ma anwanya presidency. Nwoke na-alazi ezumike nka. Nwoke si no kwetegodi na the 80 years. For him you kwetegodi na oyeme 80 years very soon. Onyawo ikwete na oyeme 80 years very soon meaning na. For onyawo ikwete na oyeme 80 years very soon meaning ogupugo 10 years out of his age. Onwe ka obuno 90 years go na ejedi. Ina akpali ndị ọzọ na-atọ oke mana ngi wa na-atọ ọdụ ya. Ina akpali ndị ọzọ. Okay, if you know I praise Shazi Igbo, I kubalu ga aka now. Kene medunu. Kene munu shanini. Kene to call for that I had high hopes for. Omo Olu aisikwafu Obi Kubana na Kubana chief priest ka isiza afugeketa. Because iga hasim na ina emeri ya Atiku Abubakar. Iga hasim na ina support Atiku Abubakar na aka nkịtị. Iga hasim na odi akwụgwọ ụgwọ. Iga hasim na ego ahi fili na ndị aji maka na for their selfish interest. No bro, for your own selfish interest ki jiwe na support ya. Iga hasim na obole. So gina Obi Kubana na Kubana chief priest bụ ofu ugbo bụ unu na abụ. Ha ka kudige myself. Okwefuru, as a matter of fact, ha maka gị mma.